In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the iOS 26 public beta. So what are you going to do? Firstly, open up any browser of your choice on your iPhone. So for example, I'm just using Safari. Open up your browser and then go to this website here. We go to login or sign up for this Apple beta software program here. So type in beta.apple.com. Okay, just type that beta.apple.com and you will end up in this web page here. So once you're here, what we're going to do is scroll down and you will see a sign up option. Tap on sign up. Okay, and then sign in with your Apple account. So just sign up with your Apple account and everything, provide your Apple credentials and just sign up. Scroll down, then okay, access to all their service agreement and everything, just agree to that and then hit on agree. Next, once you're on this page, just scroll down and click on this hyperlink which says enroll your iOS device. Tap on it. And then here scroll down, and then what you're going to do is click on this open beta updates option here. So just click on it. Okay, and then it's going to take you to your settings. Just click on OK and it will take you to your settings in the general page here. So once you're on the general page here, you're going to click on this software update option, and here you will see that there's beta updates which says your iOS 26 beta is available for you. So all you have to do is click on update now. If you want to straight away install it on your device, just tap on update now, or you have the option to update it later in the day as well, which is update tonight. Okay, so if you want to update it now, just tap on update now and that's it. The beta version will be installed on your device, and that's how you do it.